Today we will see the difference between electromagnetic relay, static relay, and microprocessor based relay, or we can say numerical relay. So here some points we will relate here. So first point is technology standard. So according to technology standard, electromagnetic relay is the first generation relay. First generation relay. Static relay is second generation relay. Second generation relay. And microprocessor based relay is a present generation relay. Mostly today we use microprocessor relay. Okay, now what will the operating principle of electrostatic and numerical? So electromagnetic relay use the principle of electromagnetic. It uses electromagnetic principle. Okay, and static relay use in static relay, transistor and ICs been used. Transistor and ICs are used, and in microprocessor based relay, it is an inbuilt software. In microprocessor relay, we have inbuilt software with predefined values within built software. Inbuilt software with predefined value with predefined value. Okay, and measuring elements means we can say here what are the hardware used. So in electromagnetic relay, it will use induction disk, induction disk, electromagnets, electromagnet, induction cup, induction cup, and balance beam. And in static relay, uh, hardware use are RLC. This is nothing but the resistor, inductor, capacitor, transistor, analog IC, comparator, analog ICs, comparator. Okay. And in microprocessor based relay, hardware is microprocessor. In short form, I am writing microprocessor, uh, digital IC, digital ICs, and digital signal processor. Okay. Now the relay size of the electromagnetic relay is bulky. Static relay has small, and it is compact of microprocessor. Okay. Now speed of the electromagnetic relay is slow as compared to static relay, and microprocessor based relay has very fast response. And then talking about reliability, electromagnetic have high reliability as compared to static relay, and microprocessors also have high reliability. And the reset time of electromagnetic relay is very high and compared to both. Okay, and the auxiliary electromagnetic relay required auxiliary supply means all have auxiliary supply. And last one, the timing function of the electromagnetic relay is mechanical clockwork, mechanical clockwork. It has a static timer in static relay, and it has counter in microprocessor based relay. So these are the important difference between of electromagnetic relay, static relay, and microprocessor based relay.